What's up, YouTube, and Happy New Year's! Right now, I'll be doing my New Year's fire alarm blast, which will contain my Federal Signal auto call fire alarm bell, my Realox 2002 T24, my Simplex 2903 9001 with my Simplex 2901 9806, my SimSensor Mass 2475 ADA, and my Gentex GOS. And to activate this all is with my Simplex 425120. So without further ado, let's activate the system in let's activate the alarms in 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year's, everyone. I hope you enjoyed 2026, and hope this will be a very happy New Year's. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a very happy New Year's. Farewell.